here's something worth thinking about. Meta has already sold over 2 million pairs of Ray-Ban smart glasses, and they did that without a display, without facial recognition, and with live AI that drains the battery in roughly 30 minutes. So what happens when they fix all of that at once? Because that's exactly what the next generation of Ray-Ban Meta glasses appears to be building toward. And the leaks painting this picture are surprisingly consistent. 2 new models are reportedly in the works, codenamed Aperol and Bellini, and the upgrades being described aren't minor tweaks. We're talking about a fundamentally different experience. Let's break down what's actually coming, what's still speculation, and whether this is the version that finally makes smart glasses feel essential. Meta's Gen 3 lineup is expected to come in 2 distinct variants: the Aperol model, designed for extended battery life and advanced features, and the Bellini model, built lighter and slimmer specifically for prescription users who want something discreet enough for everyday wear. That dual model approach is actually smart strategy. Instead of forcing everyone into one compromise, Meta is acknowledging that different people wear glasses differently. Content creators, commuters, and tech enthusiasts will likely gravitate toward Aperol, while people who just want AI assistance without a bulky frame will find the Bellini more appealing. It's the kind of product thinking that was missing in the early generations, and it signals that Meta is treating this as a real product category now, not just an experiment. The performance leap here is where things get genuinely exciting. The Gen 3 models are rumored to run on the Snapdragon AR1 Plus, a chip designed specifically for smart glasses and wearables rather than adapted from smartphone silicon, which should translate directly into efficiency gains and more headroom for always-on AI features. And here's the feature that really changes the daily experience. The next-gen glasses are expected to support live AI running in the background for hours, compared to the roughly 30 minutes users get from the current device. That jump isn't incremental. It's the difference between a feature you occasionally use and one you actually build habits around. Reports also describe something internally called super sensing, where the AI continuously understands context, rather than just responding when you trigger it, recognizing whether you're at a restaurant, reading a menu, or looking at a landmark without you having to ask first. That's the shift from voice assistant to genuine AI companion. Leaked details point to extended battery life in the range of 6 to 8 hours, which is a meaningful improvement, but still a number that needs context. 6 hours sounds fine until you realize most people want glasses they can put on in the morning and forget about until night. The Snapdragon AR1 Plus should help the efficiency side of the equation, and with the screenless design staying intact on both Gen 3 models, power demands are at least not climbing. Whether Meta actually hits all-day performance in real-world conditions is the question every reviewer is going to answer on launch day, and it's the single metric that will determine whether mainstream buyers cross over from curious to committed. No version of this conversation is complete without the uncomfortable part. The Gen 3 glasses may include advanced AI capable of real-time recognition of objects, locations, and potentially even people, and that capability is already generating serious discussion among privacy advocates before the product has even launched. Meta's computer vision on current Ray-Ban glasses has already drawn criticism for being prone to mistakes, and analysts have noted the company's broader privacy standards are still considered a weak point. Better AI seeing more of the world through your face is only a win if the guardrails around that data are genuinely trustworthy. That's a trust gap Meta still needs to close, and it won't close it by simply not mentioning it. The Ray-Ban Meta Gen 3 shapes up as the first version of these glasses built for actual daily use rather than just enthusiast curiosity. Smarter AI, longer endurance, 2 distinct form factors, and a chip designed from the ground up for wearables. It's a compelling package if the execution holds up. So the real question is, are you waiting on this one, or has the privacy conversation already made the decision for you? Drop your take in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of every leak and launch in the smart glasses space, subscribe and hit the bell.